Hello everyone, hope you guys doing well. Now I am here with my friend Bob. So he's going to teach us about Cessna 210. Let's hear from him.
To fly from Hannah up into the Northwest Territory, and it was a very good plane for that. It had lots of power, lots of speed, and gas tanks are close. Yep. And then we go over here. Check to see if there's any gas in the water.
Okay.
See there's water in there?
Yeah.
So it comes to the bottom.
Okay.
You drain it. You check to make sure your
Tire pressure is okay.
tire pressure and brake pads are good.
Yeah.
See if there's any gas in the water.
Yeah.
You want to hear that?
It's okay. It's okay.
That's being stupid, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Check. Make sure we got pressure in that.
Yeah.
And okay. Next we check. See if we have any oil. This thing uses lots of oil.
Okay. You have to refill. How often you have to refill?
Oh, about every 10 hours you give about half a liter.
Okay. Okay.
Lots of oil. And I checked the windshield. Did the windshield before
Before you fly every time?
last time when I landed.
Okay. So you have to check the windshield every time.
Yeah.
So what you have to check in a windshield?
Windshield? Oh, bugs.
Oh, bugs, yeah.
The bugs get all over there, so you clean it off.
So you have a wiper blade and the same.
No, you have to.
Anyway, by hand you have to do it.
Yeah,
Okay. Okay.
Yep. See this?
Yeah. This is the blind spot.
No. That's so you can see if your landing gear is up or not.
Okay. Okay. Got it. Got it.
See that?
So
When
this
the
is how
landing
you
gear
know
goes up?
landing gear. Okay. So what happened? The same as a bigger plane. Your landing gear goes up when you fly.
Yep.
Yeah. Okay.
This is most little planes no, but this is fast one.
Okay.
Goes faster than these others.
Okay. Okay.
But it's old. Like this
Yeah.
is 1965.
1965. Okay.
Yeah.
So, so Bob, how many years you are having this plane?
Since 38 years. Since 1989.
1989. And how many hours of flying you have done so far?
5,000.
Wow, that's quite a lot.
Yeah.
That's quite a lot.
I've
Wow.
been flying for 55 years.
Okay. So what you have to do to keep the plane going? What the thing you have to maintain daily basis or weekly basis or monthly basis every time you what you have to do the maintenance?
Well, the maintenance, once a year you have to have it checked by a certified mechanic
Okay.
to make sure it doesn't need repairs or that it's safe.
Okay.
And then after that, mostly it just needs gas. Every 10 hours or so, some oil. And you check the fluid in the hydraulic for the gear, landing gear,
Landing gear. Yeah. Okay.
and see if that's okay, and that's about it.
And what kind of oil you have to put it in?
Very heavy oil. 100. They say 100 weight, which is 50 weight.
50 weight
oil.
50 weight oil. Okay.
100 deviation.
Okay. Okay. And so if somebody wants to buy a plane like this,
Yeah.
what he or she needs to have? Money, understood, yeah, and a license. You don't need a license to buy a plane. So you can buy it, but you can put it in a hangar.
A lot of these guys don't have licenses.
So what they do?
They just want to own an airplane.
They do, okay.
But they think someday they might get a license.
How hard it is to get a license?
For young people, Isha, very easy. For you and I,
Yeah, I don't understand. Yeah.
it's like riding a bike. She can learn to ride a bike very easy. And if you and I ride a bike for the first time,
Yeah,
it's
we'll
very,
fall.
very hard.
Yeah, that's true. That's true.
And same with an airplane.
Yeah. So
It's just, you know, you have to have learn the
okay,
skill.
okay. So as a layman, I know nothing about the plane, right? So if I want to buy a plane, do I have to go to a mechanic to check my plane, or I just go and buy it? And what I check for the plane, what I'm looking for?
Well, that's the mechanic's job, but usually the mechanic's
Expensive,
well, $1,000.
$1,000 to check the plane.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. See that hangar there is for sale. It
Okay.
was $25,000, I think.
For the hangar.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So
And this airplane might be for sale. 25. He's been trying to fly for
okay.
20, 25 years, and he's still get his license.
So okay. So the cost of the hangar may be pretty much same with the plane. That's what I can understand.
Like
The old plane I'm talking about.
yeah, the plane is the fuel is not cheap. Much less to drive.
Mhm.
Like if I fly to Camrose, it takes half an hour,
Okay.
but it probably costs me $200 in gas.
Okay. Okay.
If I drive, it takes 2 hours,
Yeah.
but it probably costs me $50 in gas.
Yeah. But you will arrive faster, quicker, half an hour. And now, when you land in Camrose, do you have to pay a fee to the airport? You don't have to pay a fee. So wherever you fly, you don't have to pay the fee.
No, here no fee.
But okay, if in a city like Edmonton or Calgary or
Fee.
Toronto, you,
Movement charge.
how much they charge you?
$75 to land, $75 to leave.
Okay. Now, if you stay overnight, 2 nights doesn't matter.
No,
Just $75.
movement.
Movement. That's it. That's it. Okay. Okay. And how much it costs to maintain this plane in a year? How much you have to spend? Average.
$1,500.
That's pretty good. Cheaper than a vehicle, I guess.
Like a vehicle.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Sure. Yeah.
But farmers do some of it themselves, and when they work with a farmer mechanic,
yeah.
a mechanic that works with farmer pilots,
Yeah.
flying farmers kind
Yeah.
of thing,
Yeah.
he lets them help.
Okay. Okay. So here, like people help each other, like this kind of rural area. People know everybody. I can see that.
Yeah.
Right? They
Yeah.
help each other.
Yeah, you saw there. He's the president of the Flying Association.
Okay.
There's maybe 12 people in it
Okay. Okay.
for this whole area.
Okay. So he's the authority here.
Well, kind of, but
Kinda.
he's one of us.
Okay. Sure. Okay.
And beside him would be somebody from the airport, the town,
Yeah.
in charge of that show tomorrow, the drag race show tomorrow.
Okay.
I didn't check the email. I didn't get it. But anyway, Camrose either tomorrow or Sunday. I guess we're not. Unless we put this airplane. Unless we put this airplane. Maybe we should put it at the house. Land on the road.
You can, right? But you have to take a permission or no?
Nobody cares. Park it in the yard. Yeah.
Oh, you can park in a year, then land there, and how long the runway you need to fly this?
2,000 feet.
2,000
But
feet?
this one's almost 4,000.
Okay, you get the
This
double.
runway is almost 4,000.
Okay.
This
Okay.
is too
Okay.
big company.
Okay. Okay. Now, for winter, do you do any winterization or anything in the plane?
Plug it in. Just like a car.
Okay. Okay.
And then, yeah. And then it starts.
Good.
You don't plug it in.
You don't start.
It don't start.
Okay. Does it have a block heater or something?
Yeah, plug it. Yeah, they've gone the people that were there,
Okay.
which is good. You don't want people around.
Yeah.
People that aren't pilots don't realize that, propellers are very dangerous, and sometimes when they want to talk to you, they'll walk right towards you, right into the propeller.
Yeah.
Especially if you have children,
Yeah.
especially if you have dogs,
Yeah.
they walk right into the propeller. So if there's people like that, you have to shut your engine off. Otherwise, you can't fly. I mean, there's people that aren't qualified to be on an airport if you're going to operate an airport.
Thank you, Bob. Let's go flying.
Okay. Yeah.
So, how to lock this door?
Push
And then
hard and close that button.
press that button. Yeah. Okay, good.
That side. And that side. Slides. Or, yeah, like this. There you go. They call that shit handle.
Okay.
Why do they call it shit handle?
I don't know.
Because when something goes wrong, you grab that and you say, holy shit! Well, there, left hand grabs this
Okay. And where does it go?
and goes in here. Okay, this goes a little further. There you go. And make it snug. Hold it snug.
Okay. Good. Now we are going for a flight now with Bob.
This is so I can talk to people.
Okay.
And see.
So what is
GPS?
Oh, just GPS. Okay.
This is GPS.
Okay.
Lots of GPSs.
Okay.
Muslim prayer beads. Indian necklace.
Okay.
Rosemary Catholic.
Okay.
Catholic priest.
Okay.
When something goes wrong,
Yeah.
you don't know who might work, so you try them all.
Yeah. That's true.
Okay. So where are we? Turn on. Okay. That's electrical power.
Okay.
That just primes the cylinders. And this, we'll see if it works.